What else that look on this? I took up the chicken and the something. Well, I want orange juice. Guys, I know I start the vlog foolish, but so I run up and down and then true me don't feel good. I say bombard me not vlog nothing from me there on the road. Come here try to move from one point to the next point as quick as possible. So I just that. What you just say? Mom, so when you hold this, I'm take off. I'm take off of this. You took up one chicken and took up fries. Of fries. Of fries. I'm gonna give it fries. Alright. Yeah, before I go on this, eh? Wow. What is that? What? Yeah, top of. Huh?
Tender.
Huh? Where did he find? Who? Oh yeah, so way different both the ramen than the ramen, yeah.
Bulldog.
Yeah, well,
No, that's original.
just the name, black garlic. Hmm?
Bulldog.
What else is well, here.
You know you go on.
It's a bulldog.
The egg.
You get a cup more?
Egg.
Oh.
I'm putting it and fry up the nuggets and cut it up and cut it up. Yes,
Great. Go and watch seasoning the pan net. You mean to see, but I think like a buy that up at the minute.
you know what they mean. Black pepper. What is
Parsley. Me and my take up parsley in here, so my parsley. Oh, and at the liquor store, I buy the soap powder and thyme, oregano, basil. Don't tell me them have no parsley. Basil, thyme.
just let Jimmy sell it.
Maybe or maybe it's not I Jeez. And what the in here? What other else seasoning in the pan is something?
No, it is garlic. No, that's a garlic.
Black pepper. Oh, I can buy them there.
Oh, what? Oh,
This
ginger.
weird. Black pepper. The parsley when I get it.
This is so cool. Onion, pumpkin. And Tisha buy enough pumpkin.
The Isle of Jamaican, rice and cover the place.
Yeah.
Alright, I could go buy tin mackerel, sardine. Oh, I want one macaroni. One single macaroni for what's out. Because, no, I forgot to take it up. And no, I forgot to come back up there, so. Hmm? No, them there to make this something. May I talk,
Which one of them are the best? Which one of them are the best?
I don't know. Yeah, it's not much of a deal. I don't even say a 6 or more in there. Yeah, the weight I make it look like it. Oh yeah, I'm gone. Remember we have 2 more supermarkets to stop. Whew, sun a beat, trust me. Sun a beat. One more stop for me. Go about 20 places or money. Go market not look a while to get some market stuff. Finish up now. Eh? Eh?
That one, I know she.
Yeah. Somebody see the man down there so with the water. Guys, at this point I was at KFC trying to get some chicken, but it was too packed and noisy, so I did a video much. Okay. Guys, I come back. No, I'm not video much today because everything is so hectic. I'm not feeling well. It was a struggle. The son and I have the luggage. And plus Tati just recovering as well because she been sick all the last week too. She just recovering as well. So couldn't stress out myself much. Just me come back now. I'm still me not feel well at all. I'm feel like dehydrated as well. And the flu been matching me up and everything. So hope you enjoy the little supermarket vlog, guys. May just eat something and take some medication. So I think it's kicking in now. So I have to go take a nap. Hopefully in the evening I feel much better. And hope you enjoy the vlog. Like I said, it's not much, but I hope you enjoy it. I'll catch you guys in another video. Alright? Bye.